first glance, this verse, mga classmates, seems like a promise that whatever we pray for, we will get, as long as we believe strongly enough. But does that mean if we pray for wealth, instant healing, or success, it will automatically happen? This is where many misunderstand Jesus' words and where modern movements like New Thought Christianity or New Age Christianity, the law of attraction, twist biblical teachings. What is the real message here, mga classmates? Jesus is not talking about some magic formula where if you visualize something hard enough, it will materialize in your life. This is not about manifesting wealth, success, or fame like what many prosperity gospel preachers and new thought movements teach. Rather, this verse emphasizes genuine faith, not just faith in the outcome, but faith in God's will. Prayer should not be about forcing outcomes, but about seeking God's wisdom, surrendering control, and believing that He knows what is best, even when the answer is not what we expected. Mga classmates, the true power of faith is not about getting what we want, but about trusting God even when things don't go our way. If we truly believe, we won't just have faith in what we are asking for. We will have faith in the one we are asking.